Hello, everyone. Welcome to this English listening and shadowing practice. I'm very happy you are here today. This lesson is for beginners, A1 and A2 level. Please relax. Sit comfortably. You do not need to write. You only need to listen and repeat after me. If it feels difficult, pause the audio and repeat again. That is okay. Now, take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Good. Let's begin. I will speak slowly. Please follow my voice. Listen first, then repeat. I am here. I am here. I am listening. I am listening. I am learning English. I am learning English. Good. Let's continue. I feel calm. I feel calm. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. I feel ready to learn. I feel ready to learn. Very good. Now, let's practice daily sentences. I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. I feel tired. I feel tired. I need coffee. I need coffee. Good. Now, slow down. Listen carefully. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. The water is cold. The water is cold. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I see my face. I see my face. Very nice. Now, let's practice simple present. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink tea. I drink tea. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I eat bread. I eat bread. I feel better. I feel better. Now, imagine you are outside. I leave my house. I leave my house. I walk on the street. I walk on the street. I see people. I see people. I see cars. I see cars. The weather is nice. The weather is nice. It is sunny. It is sunny. Good job. Now, listen and repeat slowly. I am on the bus. I am on the bus. I sit down. I sit down. I look outside. I look outside. I see a red car. I see a red car. I see a big building. I see a big building. I feel calm. I feel calm. Now, let's practice feelings. I am happy. I am happy. I am excited. I am excited. I am nervous. I am nervous. I am tired. I am tired. It is okay. It is okay. Feelings change. Feelings change. Now, repeat after me. I am learning slowly. I am learning slowly. I am learning every day. I am improving my English. I am improving my English. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. Good. Now, let's practice at home. I am at home. I am at home. This is my room. This is my room. I see a bed. I see a bed. The bed is big. The bed is big. I see a table. I see a table. The table is brown. The table is brown. Very good. Now, describe actions. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. I open my laptop. I open my laptop. I listen to English. I listen to English. I repeat the words. I repeat the words. I am focused. I am focused. Now, listen carefully. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. I am not afraid. I am not afraid. I try again. I try again. Good. Now, let's practice simple future. I will practice tomorrow. I will practice tomorrow. I will listen again. I will listen again. I will speak more English. I will speak more English. I will improve. I will improve. Now, slow breathing again. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Now, final repetition. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am patient. I am patient. I am consistent. I am consistent. Small steps every day. Small steps every day. I am doing well. I am doing well. Thank you for listening. Thank you for practicing. Repeat this lesson again. Listen every day. Your English will grow. See you next time. Bye.